Imagine the most expensive liquid in the world. It's not a rare champagne, nor is it an exotic perfume. It's actually scorpion venom. This venom, astonishingly, costs a staggering $39 million per gallon. So, why does scorpion venom command such an exorbitant price tag? Firstly, the extraction process of scorpion venom is time-consuming and dangerous. Imagine a delicate dance with a potentially lethal partner. Each scorpion must be carefully handled to extract a minuscule quantity of venom. This painstaking procedure requires patience, skill, and a disregard for personal safety. Now multiply that by thousands, for that's the number of scorpions needed to yield a significant amount of venom. It's a laborious and perilous task that only the bravest dare to undertake. But the danger and difficulty of venom extraction only tell part of the story. The true value of scorpion venom lies in its potential for life-saving medical treatments. It's being used in research for cutting-edge therapies, targeting conditions like cancer and autoimmune diseases. The venom's unique properties allow it to target malignant cells without affecting healthy ones, a feat that's hard to achieve with traditional treatments. But it's not just the venom we're paying for. The high research and development costs in these areas play a significant role in the venom's price. So, the high cost of scorpion venom is not just about the venom itself, but also the potential it holds for medical breakthroughs. In essence, the staggering cost of scorpion venom is a reflection of its extraction difficulty, its rarity, and its immense potential in the field of medicine. We've delved into the extraction process and its medicinal value. Did you find this fact as fascinating as we did? Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts. Who knows what you might learn next?